Nakatakda pong i-cremate sa Miyerkules ang labi ng pumanaw na dating presidente at Chief Operating Officer ng GMA Marketing and Productions Incorporated na si Ginoong Manuel P. Quiogue. Sa ngayon patuloy ang pagdating ng mga nakikiramay sa mga naulila na itinuturing na isa sa mga haligi ng industriya ng media. Ang mainit na balita hatid ni Rida Reyes. Bumuhos ang pakikiramay sa pagpanaw ng batikang broadcast media at advertising executive na si Manuel Quiogue o mas kilala sa industriya bilang si Mekoy. Sa edad na 71, pumanaw si Quiogue noong Biyernes dahil sa septic shock na pinala ng kondisyong kung tawagin ay amyloidosis. Bagamat ikinabigla ng kanyang pamilya ang biglaang pagkawala ng kanilang padre de pamilya, alam daw nilang naging makabuluhan ang naging buhay nito.
You were the one who pushed me to really, do better and to not be satisfied with, pwede na. That was my dad's favorite. If it's pwede na, then it's not enough. He was just amazing. He was the best father I could ever ask for. And, it just is really sad that I'm not gonna get, any more of that.
He was my career advisor. He was my sounding board. Pag kailangan ko ng mag-brainstorm at confused na ako, he was the one I would call. Just that one last chance to tell him that I love him.
Para naman sa kanyang matatalik na kaibigan, isang kapatid kung maituturing si Quiogue.
I am very close. It's so close that ako na lang sana kinuha. He's more than a brother. If he's a friend, he's a real friend. He'll go out of his way to help you out.
Sa loob ng 3 dekada, nag-iwan si Quiogue ng tatak sa industriya ng broadcasting at advertising. Personal ding nakiramay ang ilang opisyal ng GMA Network Incorporated ng mga dating nakasama sa trabaho ni Quiogue. Mahigit 7 taong nanungkulan si Quiogue sa Kapuso Network bilang presidente at COO ng GMA Marketing and Productions Incorporated o GMPI mula 2002 hanggang 2009.
You saw the success of GMA in terms of sales growth, diba? And Mekoy was a very part of GMA growth. He's the only person that I know na total lang ang involvement niya in this industry. And he'll be sorely missed by the industry.
Si Mekoy, kahit anong gawin niya, parating bigay todo. He was always very intense about everything he did. Ang para sa akin, ang pinakamalaking tulong ni Mekoy is maging huwaran ng mga susunod na henerasyon. Sana magkaroon pa ng maraming Mekoy Quiogue sa industriya.
It will be very difficult to find, somebody of his ability and of his, leadership qualities, because he wasn't just a boss. He was also a friend and he was also a mentor.
Hinawakan din ni Quiogue ang ilan pang malalaking kumpanya gaya ng ABS-CBN, J. Walter Thomas Agency, Group M Ad Agency, Coca-Cola Company, Unilever Group, Levi Strauss at Solar Entertainment.
To all those who would want to pay their last respects, we appreciate you're taking the time, and we'll be here till Wednesday morning. The funeral will be on Wednesday morning.
Rida Reyes, GMA News.